Alright, and the last thing we gotta put on is the door bags. I showed a little bit of them earlier in the video, but there's the two bags. There's all the Torx screws, all the washers, drill with an 1/8" bit, and instructions, I already read them, so good to go. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to be putting in the Can-Am side door bags. Just got to drill a couple holes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 holes. Is this the right door bag? Yep. So they're Torx screws. I'll grab the Torx size here in a second. They come with washers. Okay, got all the screws in, tightened up. And as always, Can-Am stuff does look really nice. Got a nice front zipper here. Plenty of storage. Nice Can-Am orange Can-Am logos. As you can see, a flap in there, plenty of storage, and that's padded too. So overall, super nice fitment. Door closes nicely. Colors match. Yeah. Go to the driver's side now. Okay, driver's side's all done. As you can see, super nice bag, nice zippers. Fitment's perfect. I mean, it's flush. You can see there. Looks really good. Other door bag over there looks good. Yeah. There you go. That's all for today.